All right, YouTube, we're back with another video. As you guys can see, Cardano is exploding. Out of all the coins that we're able to trade over on Bybit, I mean, this is almost every single one of them, and this is tons. They are starting to rival, I think, Binance, which is really good. So, yeah, look at this. Cardano is up 11%, and then now you might be asking yourself, why is that? Well, at least on Bybit, if you short Cardano, you can short. And so people had a lot of their trades right here and their stops right here, and then we just boom skyrocketed straight up. And then also too, if you see here, we've got this like uh we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we had that, and then we skyrocketed up, and then in here we had some divergences as well, right? So we went to the upside. And the good news is that we still have some more room to go to the upside because of this right here. We still have not taken this high, and this is like an anomaly right here. So I would say that if we do still continue to go up on Cardano, the area that we want to be looking for is right above here to possibly be looking to take profit if you're going to long again, or if you've already long from here. Take some profit, because the next major area that we need to look for is, well, let's run this and we'll go over that real quick. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. Alrighty, so let's go back over to here. So one of the major things that we are looking at here is this, right? If you've been following along, we've been talking about this, and we have basically broken this long downtrend. Now we're on the 15-minute chart here. Let's go ahead and pull up some of this. Let's go on the 2-hour here. So, but again, we have to be careful, because why? Look at this. We did the same thing here. Boom, we shot up, and then we just went straight back down, right? So we have to be very careful with that. But the one thing is that we have to look at this as well. So let's pull this like so, and let's also do this bad boy. And if you guys are wondering what it is that I'm doing, like I said, if you guys, as a thank you to signing up to Bybit, I will also send you my my course completely for free if you just direct message me on Discord and let me know that you signed up. So we're looking at this right here, right, as an area for some possible resistance to pop up, and that's going to be right around here. And so why is that? Well, we have the point of control lining up right here at around this $2.15, right? And also too, we have this swing failure pattern possibility that could be happening right as soon as you come up and take all of these highs, right? So you could come up, take all of these highs out, take these highs, take the stops right here, and then come back down. So what I'd be looking for is, I want to see Cardano come all the way up like so, and then we will look into seeing what's going on here, because again, we can short and make more money on, we can make more Cardano over on Bybit. So this is the area that I would be looking for if we do continue to come up from there. And yeah, we have our reasons, we have our point of control, and we have our 786. So like I said, we're doing these videos on a regular basis, so I'm not going to go too much into like the Moon Boy talk necessarily, as far as like all the way up here where we would be looking at as far as the overall 618. We could say that we'd be looking for around here for our overall matrix zone right here. But that's going to be for another time. We first have to make it to the point where we get all the way up to this like $2.10, $2.15 region that we need to be looking for, okay? So make sure you guys are looking out for that as far as to the upside goes, and then to the downside. Let's take a look here. Again, we do have to be careful because we did see this happening with Cardano to the downside. Let's go ahead and move this right here, all of this stuff. So I would say the next area that we'd be looking for is first would be right about here. And the reason is because, again, if you take this fixed range, you'll see that we have our point of control coming in right about here. So we could end up seeing Cardano come all the way back down, and maybe we could do some of this madness here. But if we start to see any movement to the upside like this, that's when we're going to put some what is coins could like to call it, cheeky bits right there in on Cardano to make sure that we're trading it to the upside. But if we do continue to see some movement to the downside and we come down here, then the next area would be like so. Again, in this little matrix zone right here. And what we're talking about is swing failuring these lows and coming up at on basically $1.50. And if we start to see some movement to the upside again, that's when we're going to go ahead and start to put some money into Cardano as well. So those are the two sides. And again, also, if we just see it starting to move up and we start to see some volume like we did here, like we saw some volume coming in, even if you go down to the 10-minute chart, you can just see that things were happening. So it's like we could just go ahead and market buy and get ourselves in. So it'd be the same exact thing here. If we do start to see it take off above these highs right about here, then you want to set your alerts. And if that goes off and then you're able to get to the computer on time, I would say take that trade as well. But so yeah, that's going to be it for today's for the Cardano information. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. And again, join us over on Discord and sign up to Bybit. That's where we're trading all of these trades. And I'll catch you next time.